Good morning to you all. Today I want to motivate you to participate in CBSE Movement of Young Warrior. It is a call for participation in Young Warrior, a youth-led movement to combat COVID-19. It is providing you a good opportunity to serve the nation. You have to do simply complete simple task on your phone and get a certificate. On WhatsApp, type YWA and send it to 919650414141 or give a missed call on 08066019225. Pledge to take action against COVID-19 by posting I am a hashtag Young Warrior on social media, Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. Do tag 5 friends and ask them to join this movement on WhatsApp or by giving a missed call on above mentioned numbers. As India faces the brunt of devastating second wave of COVID-19, 300 million young people represent one of our best hope at a solution. Our engagement with millions of young people last year to support the response to COVID-19 crisis led them to identify a strong desire and leadership skill to make a difference at a crucial time like this. Young people, the Ministry of Youth Affairs, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, with the support of UNICEF and 950 plus coalition partners across government, civil society, UN agency and private sector, activated hashtag Young Warrior, a pan-India movement to engage 5 million young people across the country to address the ongoing COVID-19 crisis. The engagement is simply so that young warrior can mobilize, connect, learn, influence and lead action against COVID-19. Accelerate a return to normalcy. Each young person has to be enroll his or her peer and pledge to protect themselves, their families and their neighborhoods against COVID-19 by undertaking specific action. This engagement will comprise a series of easy and real-life tasks with the hashtag Young Warrior earning certificate for their action. These tasks will be hosted both online and offline in 10 regional languages. The first is a technology-based chatbot platform called U-Report. WhatsApp YWA to 919650414141. The second is an interactive voice response IVR based platform. Missed call to 08066019225 for young people who may not have WhatsApp or internet. And third is through community radio for those who have no access to phone or internet. Some example of the task include fake news police, train in myth busting tool to detect myths, falsehood or misinformation, vaccine buddy to encourage registration for vaccination, and tension booster to enable peer-to-peer mental health and support to young people. This will be supported by Knowledge and Learning Hub, http://prachip.com/young warriors, virtual library with indexed state specific information tools and blended learning tools that are adolescent and youth friendly. Safe spaces and peer support provide opportunity for young people to ask expert questions and share their concern as well as to participate in activities that facilitate coping and healing the grief and distress of crisis response, communication and outreach. It promotes key messages and positive stories of youth action on social media through partners and influencers. The progress of this movement is that it has reached to 13 million people through social media so far. It has 950 partners signed up and it has 13,000 youth have taken action. I hope all of you may participate in this movement and will support the action. I will congratulate you if you may participate in this. I wish you a bright future. Thank you.